Wow, this place is really pretty. Did you know North America is the third largest continent in the world? Amazing! Shall we take a closer look? Benny binoculars, let's get looking. Oh, look, boys and girls, it's my old friend Martin the Mantis. Hello, Martin! He's a little smaller than me. You know what that means? Shrinky, dink, dink. Whoa! That's much better. Hello, Martin. Martin has not one, not two, but 5 eyes. I wonder how many legs he has. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You did it! Praying mantis have 6 legs. Now then, how have you been, buddy? What was that? No, Martin's very hungry. He hasn't ate in 5 whole weeks. Martin can survive ages without dinner. I couldn't do that. Don't worry, friend, we've got you covered. Let's help Martin find his dinner. Praying mantis eat crickets and other small insects. Can you help us find the insects? There it is. That's a cricket. Good job. Let's now sit back and watch Martin at work. When hungry, Martin can be very quick to catch his dinner. He even has spiky legs to grab his prey. Oh no! See that, boys and girls? The cricket has jumped away. Martin has no dinner. Oh no. Martin looks sad. Better luck next time, pal. Wait, what's that? Look, adventurers, a new bug has appeared. Martin is very tired from his lack of sleep. Can you help me cheer him on? Let's sing Martin a positive poem. Come on, Martin, you can do it. Come on, Martin, push on through it. Come on, Martin, you're a beast. Come on, Martin, have your feast. Yay! We did it! Martin has his dinner. Yum, yum. Oh my, looks like all this eating has made me very hungry. I wonder if there's anything for me. Not that. I think I'll stick to my vegetables. Well then, little explorers, that's all for Adventures with me, Nature Noah, and thank you for helping my old pal here find his dinner. Bye bye!